Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Healthy Desi Cooking. In today's video we are going to make peach cake. For this we are going to use half cup of oil, half cup milk, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of refined flour, 4 peaches, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So these are all the ingredients we are going to use to make peach cake. So let's get started. We are going to take a bowl and added 2 cups of refined flour, then added the baking powder, going to mix it well. Then took a grinder and added the eggs into it, added the oil, 4 peaches and a cup of sugar and a cup of milk into it. Then going to grind it. After grinding the mixture, we're going to add it into the refined flour and the baking powder and going to mix it well until there are no lumps left. If the consistency of the batter is too thick, you can add some more milk. After mixing it well, the consistency of the batter should be like this. Then going to take a cake pan with the baking paper and place the baking paper into it, oiled the walls and the baking paper, and then poured the batter in it. Placed it in preheated oven for about half an hour. So this is how the cake looks after baking. Taking a piece of it and going to taste it. It is so well cooked and so soft and spongy and has a strong taste of peach. So this is our today's recipe. If you enjoyed it, please give it a try and like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video and comment to the video. Share your thoughts with us. Meet you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.